make it even all around. So we need to come towards me. Definitely need to come this way. All right, so we're just putting the folds in here so that the shrink wrap forms around the furniture before we heat it, and that way when it does heat and tightens up, it gets really tight on there. So we're gonna heat these in. Once that's done, we'll trim it, heat in the strapping, tuck it under, heat it, and see how she turns out. So we've got our folds heated in. I'm gonna trim off the excess here. All right, so we're gonna run our strapping around the bottom of our bundle here. And that'll get heated in next. All right, Wilmer, so we're gonna grab you a glove here, and then we'll start right here. And what we'll do is we're gonna start about here and just fold the plastic over like that, and I'll heat, and you just tap with your glove. Yep, so fold it down, yep. That's it. Watch it. There's another glove, if you want two gloves, there's another one in there. All right, so now we'll tuck it under the legs of everything. They just look under, find it. Wilmer, can you lift a little bit right there? Yep. Good. And that one will wait, because that's where we'll pull it tight. Tucked our strapping, we're gonna pull it tight, so we'll keep everything nice and together once we heat it. Do a quick check, make sure nothing came out. All right, so we're all cinched up. Now it's time to heat. All right, so there we go. We're all heated up here. It's definitely come plenty tight here, and it's still warm. And let's try out the tape. So to go with the biodegradable shrink wrap film from Bioaqualife, they've also got this biodegradable shrink wrap tape, which is great. I think anyone who installs shrink wrap knows how much of this they go through. And of course it'll match the color of the wrap.